In this tutorial today, I'll be taking you back on our sleeve, going gaga with sleeves, and you're going to do a kind of twisted sleeve today. It's pretty easy. First thing you need to do is to draft your basic sleeve pattern based on your measurement or the measurement of your clients or whatever measurement you want to work with. And the length is also up to you. So you draw a line from one bicep to another bicep, and also the middle line, the center fold line. Apparently you only need it from here, so, but just make it center. Then you cross two diagonal lines from one end of the bicep to the center fold and another end of the bicep to the center fold. That's like an X or a V, sorry. That's a V. After doing this, cut this into two halves. If you are drafting the kind of sleeve where you adjust the back armhole length, like the back is reduced a little bit, so make sure you label the front and the back. But I'm just doing the two in the same way right now. Cut, but don't cut through. And if you cut through, you'll sellotape it back, no big deal. Here we are. So you just draw a line, a center line as a guideline for when you're spreading. I'm deliberately using this. I don't want to use a white paper so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. Using the white paper will have made this clearer, but I hope this is clear enough. Just draw a straight line in the middle to help you manipulate your pattern properly. Then if you want, let me go ahead and see how you do this. By the time you open it, the measurement you have here, let me say we have 2. I'm just okay with 2. 2 is fine. Then I'm going to have the same 2 here. That's like a form of so. If I put this here, if I'm spreading on it 2, I want to spread on it 2. But I still have a bump, so I'm going to open it further. So I don't want to have a bump. And I want this to be somewhere in the middle. So I'm extending my line down so I can track that easily. You'll be needing 2 pieces of this. So I folded this into 2, or you can use a separate fabric for that effect, that special effect. It's as simple as that. We're almost done. So what you're left with is to do is just to notch. And after ironing out, just pin us through. This is what you have at the end of it. Really beautiful. So I pinned this together just to give you an idea of if you want the sleeve, the tips to come together when you're sew. Otherwise, you can as well leave it like this, like give it some space on your shoulder line to give you some another kind of effect. That means you finished the seam line on your bodies very well. And this is what you have. Beautiful. Try this and do not forget to subscribe and click the like button if this has been helpful to you. Try it out. My WhatsApp, my contact details are always on my videos. You can send me your results. And if you have more questions, feel free to always hit me with more questions. Till I see you in the next video. Keep the creative juice flowing as always. Stay cool.